Bowling Green, Ohio. Plumbing and Sewer Bond. What is a Bowling Green, Ohio plumbing and sewer bond? A surety bond is a certificate of deposit that protects the party requesting it from any potential losses if you breach your contract with them. The plumbing and sewer bond, $5,000, holds you accountable for all business decisions and forces financial obligations to be fulfilled by both parties in order to protect against damages, loss, or unethical practices. Why is the Bowling Green, Ohio plumbing and sewer bond required? Businesses must purchase a bond to activate their license or permit. This guarantees that if the business fails to comply with licensing and permit laws, they will be compensated by the surety company for any damages incurred due to this negligence. How does a Bowling Green, Ohio plumbing and sewer bond work? Getting a Bowling Green, OH plumbing and sewer bond, $5,000, means you agree with the entity requiring it, called the obligé. Your surety company agrees to cover for you in case your clients or public make claims against their contract and need payment from your bond. If there's ever any problems on either side of this agreement, only then will we get involved so that both parties can be satisfied. How much does a Bowling Green, Ohio plumbing and sewer bond cost? Bowling Green, OH plumbing and sewer bond, $5,000, is a type of surety bond that varies in cost and depends on the credit score of the applicant. Sometimes, personal or business financials may be required, depending on what surety amount is needed for bonding purposes. To learn more about surety bonds, please visit swiftbonds.com.